Prime Minister Narendra Modi told officials during a high-level meeting Thursday to ramp up oxygen production, with four of the states worst hit by COVID battling a critical shortfall between demand and supply of oxygen in their hospitals. The Union Home Ministry too has ordered all states to strictly abide by its distribution plan amid reports of some seizing supplies meant for others. As the country reported a record 3,14,835 new cases, the highest single-day figure for any country since the pandemic began, and over 2,000 deaths in the last 24 hours. Figures obtained by the Indian Express show that Delhi, UP, Gujarat and Haryana face severe shortfalls in the supply of oxygen. They show that the national capital has been hit the hardest, with a deficit of 220 metric tons per day, while Karnataka and Rajasthan have got just enough to see the day through, while several other states have marginally surplus stocks and face shortage if they face challenges to replenishment. In fact, records show the demand for medical oxygen has increased by 18% over the last 6 days across 12 states, which account for 83% of active cases in the country.
अगर एवरेज डेली डेथ्स को देखें,
A letter sent by Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan on April 15 states that Delhi, UP, Gujarat, Haryana, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Punjab, Kerala, Chhattisgarh, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra had projected a combined demand of 4,880 metric tons per day for April 20th. However, a communication on April 21st from Nipun Vinayak, Joint Secretary, Health Ministry, has pegged the combined demand from these 12 states at 5,760 metric tons per day. An analysis of figures given in two letters shows two states, Delhi and UP, topping the demand chart for medical oxygen in the last 6 days. The centre, meanwhile, said it would open registration from April 28th on the CoWIN portal to enable all those above 18 years to join the vaccination drive from May 1st. Only self-registration and advance appointments for people between 18 to 45 years of age. No walk-in allowed, it said. The Prime Minister's Thursday meeting with top officials, including the Cabinet Secretary and the Secretaries of Home and Health, on the oxygen crisis came after the Ministry of Home Affairs issued orders under the Disaster Management Act that no state can hold up supplies to another. Home Secretary Ajay Bhalla issued a letter saying that no restriction shall be imposed on the movement of medical oxygen between states, and transport authorities shall be instructed to accordingly allow free interstate movement of oxygen carrying vehicles. It said that no restrictions can be imposed on oxygen manufacturers and suppliers to limit the oxygen supplies only to the hospitals of the state or UT in which they are located, while holding DMs, SSPs and SPs personally liable for implementation. With the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic leaving the entire country gasping for oxygen, the centre's efforts and initiatives seem to have come a little too late.